Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, let's do a CPU and memory test between the two browsers named Microsoft Store and Google Chrome. Okay, before we proceed, let's just run it by simply clicking to open. And once it is being opened, just minimize it and go for the second one, which is the Google Chrome, and minimize it also. So once it's being run, let's proceed by going for Task Manager. You can do a right click here at the Windows icon, or you can simply search for Task Manager. Let's type Task Manager at the bottom search bar. And then once this best match appear, just double tap to open. Okay? So once you're being redirected to the task manager, just maximize it to open. And here you can see a lot of options. And we are going to the first one, which is the processes. Here, under the apps, you can see applications that is being run. Okay? It has this Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. And this time, we will check the CPU usage as well as the memory one between the two. Okay? For Google Chrome, we can see that 0.8% is in the CPU usage and the memory one is 211.5 megabyte size. Okay? On the other hand, here in the Microsoft Edge, you can see that 1.2 rather is in the CPU usage and the memory one is 304 megabytes. Okay? Now, in this chart, in this manner, we can simply conclude that Google Chrome has the least CPU usage as well as the memory one. So in this case, Google Chrome wins. Okay? So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.